Hi, I'm Rebecca, the Art Lady, and I'm going to show you how to make some creepy-crawly goo. To make creepy-crawly goo, what you're going to need is some borax, water, glue, two stir sticks, some creepy-crawlies, I chose some flies, some color. You'll need 2 separate cups to make your mixture and something to store it in. Go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of glue. Elmer's glue works best. Next step, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of water and add it to your glue. Go ahead and take your stick and mix this together. If you want to add color to your slime, you want to make sure you add it to the glue and water. And now in a separate cup, I'm going to mix a cup of water with a teaspoon of borax. With a separate stick, you're going to mix the water and borax until the borax is all dissolved. Okay, once it's all dissolved, you're going to carefully pour it into your glue mixture while stirring. Once you're finished stirring the borax in with your glue mixture, you can go ahead and pull it out. This is the best part. And there you have your slime. I'm going to put it in a container so you can keep it for a while. And you're going to go ahead and stick in your slimy creatures. And if you have a container with a lid on it, it's good for about a week. And that's how you make a creepy-crawly goo.